Tuesday. It's been a minute. I was working all day. My hair's a mess. I just got back from work. I picked up Tori from school. It's like 3:15 right now. I am in better spirits today. Don't feel the greatest today, but I'm trying to just like be grateful for, you know, the fact that I was able to go to work and stuff, and I'm very thankful that school is done right now, so that's really nice. So the plan is I have a video going live tomorrow, so I think I'm going to chill. I'm going to sit on my bed for a while, which is unmade at the moment. Oh, I also have apples to eat. It's unmade at the moment because my mom wanted to clean my sheets today, which is actually probably good because I kind of need that. But yeah, so I'm just going to chill for a while. I feel like I deserve it after working for several hours, and we're going to edit. Not super exciting, but it's something I do need to get done. And then tomorrow we have more like festive things, like I'm going to be wrapping gifts, and I'm going to be making a little bandana thing for Ronnie, and I don't have anything to do tomorrow. No school, no YouTube editing, nothing. So tomorrow's going to be really fun. So we're going to finish out today, and we're going to get into the fun stuff tomorrow. My video is exporting as per usual. It's a lot later than I thought it'd be. It's like 10 after 10 right now. So that's exporting probably for another 45 minutes or so. We're gonna hope that it goes well the first time and I don't need to set alarms in the middle of the night, because I've had to do that before, because I'd have to like re-export things. But basically the rest of the night I'm gonna try to get my thumbnail done, what to read, and that'll be it. So I will see you guys in the morning. Happy Wednesday. I have some wrapping to do today. I started out the day by doing my workout and eating breakfast, getting ready. I did all of my video prep stuff this morning, but I didn't really include you guys in that because it's kind of boring. But it's actually almost noon. My sisters just got home from school because they had a half day today because it's finals week. But I am shutting myself in my room right now because I have some gifts to wrap today. And then I'm also going to be making like a festive bandana for my dog Ronnie. So let's see, maybe we'll set you right there. No, ever since I got rid of my M200, I don't have a hand tripod, so we're just trying to make it work. There we go, good enough. So I just wanted to share a couple of the things that I'm wrapping. I actually do daycare for 3 little boys, so I ended up getting them a couple things just like for Christmas and stuff. Nothing too crazy, just like a little something to have a little fun. The first thing I got was this little baby toy retro video game thing. He's like maybe 6, 7, 8 months old, and he loves like pressing buttons, chewing on things. So I think he will love this. All of this is from Amazon, by the way, if you're curious. Then for the 2.5-year-old, I got these little dino car things. You like push down on the little thing on the back and they sort of like zoom or whatever. So I thought that would be fun. And then for the like 5, 6-year-old, I got him just this little Lego set thing. He can build this and have a bunch of fun with it. So I'm gonna try to wrap those. Then I have a couple gifts that are for my sisters. I have some of my parents' gifts. I think I have one of my uncle's gifts in there. Anyway, we have a lot of wrapping to do. There's a little hack thing that I want to try that I found on Instagram that I thought would be really fun because I have some little boxes to wrap. Let's get wrapping in. Hope this goes well. What do we think? Cute? Not cute? Kind of cute? That looks like a turkey, but I mean, I guess it's fun. I don't know. I'm gonna do it again. that is going to be it for today's video. We got most of it done. I didn't get to work on my mini houses or finish my library book, but I have a bunch of free time tonight, so I plan on doing that either tonight or tomorrow. But I was really happy to spend these last few days with you guys. That little bandana turned out so cute. I'm gonna try to put some footage in here of what it looked like on. I am actually really impressed with myself. I can't believe that I actually made that. Anyway, we got a lot of stuff done, lots of prep done for the holidays. Made a bunch of things for the holidays as well. So don't forget that if you're new, you should definitely subscribe and like down below. This video was really fun for me to make. I'd love to make more videos like this, especially if you guys really like them. And this is my last video before Christmas, so I really hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. Hope you guys are spending time with the people you love, remembering the reason for the season, and just taking it all in one day at a time, and just cherishing all the time that we have together. So I'm very thankful for you guys in this community. I want to end the vlog here, and I will see you guys next Wednesday in my next video. Happy holidays.